How to get the AI anime filter on TikTok without using CapCut or templates. Welcome back to another tutorial, guys. Let's learn how to get the AI anime effect that's trending on TikTok. And before we start, make sure to subscribe for more tutorials like this in the future. The very first step is to open the App Store or Google Play Store on your phone, and search for TikTok. We need to check if our app is updated. So if it says update right here, click on that button to update the app. If it says open, it means that the app is up to date and it has all of the latest effects and features. Now let's open the TikTok app on our device. Click on the search icon at the top right corner of the screen. And in the search bar, you want to type AI manga. And the effect should be shown in your search results. If you don't see this effect right here, go watch my video on how to fix the AI anime filter now showing in TikTok. The solution in that video helped me, because a couple of days ago I also didn't have the AI anime effect here. So click on this icon right here and this will open your TikTok camera and the filter. You can upload a photo from your photo gallery, or you can simply take a photo from the camera. I'm going to take a photo. So when you are ready, tap on the screen. And the effect will give you this little animation. And here is our AI anime effect without CapCut or any other third-party apps. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.